Someone done fucked up.
But it definitely wasn't the worst one. Of course, it was going to get panned coming out after Black Ops 2, which is often deemed as possibly the best Call of Duty of all time.
And speaking of that Grunt Ultra, the Grunt Ultras have this
what are you doing?
White armor and full facial cover.
Why are you blocking the road?
Napoleonic aliens inside.
Manual recording will now start.
I stir it around a little, and the goal is to make sure that all of the mercury metal sinks to the bottom. As I let it sit there, this a few years ago, and if you're interested, there's a link in the description. In my opinion, though, distilling sulfuric acid
Why
is
the
still
fuck
one
are you
of the
doing
most
that?
dangerous things that have ever.
You know, like the old saying goes, we all have our demons, but mine just chose to show itself.
You gonna get over?
I think that, not saying that I'm
today, 2023, to easily dismiss things. They just say it's, oh, you were under.
I wonder what happened.